Today I learn how to add scroll bar into my app, while trying to update my apps with more content. This is the scroll script I got from ChatGPT. As you can see on the right, my words got overlap. Before I add the scroll script, I try to populate those margin tags by adding margin to my text list. Now you see it is all adjusted. Exit button is outside now. But scrolling still no scroll bar. The scroll bar help indicate to user. You can scroll down. Now I am ready to use the code. I paste the code in. I replace text view code with this activity view, and update the codes. Firstly, the scroll view width and height need update. Secondly, text view width and height. Set to match parent and wrap content for height. The scroll bar appear, but the scroll view is way too down. I need adjust it right. Great, now it is above the exit app view tune, but still too far left. I think it's the margin earlier. I need adjust it right. I think I adjust the wrong tag. Found it. The answer is horizontal constraint tag.